Hey you guys, it's Raina. A lot of people know me by my middle name. It's Raina. So I go by Raina Love because I'm a queen. That's what Raina means. And love is I'm a queen of love. I know it sounds so cliche and so corny, but that is what I'm all about. Being a queen and being about love. Hey Sean. So I was just saying that I go by Raina Love. Raina is actually my middle name that my mother gave me at birth. It's a Latin name and it means queen. And it's befitting, I would like to think. And my alias is Raina Love because I'm a queen of love. I do everything in love. I don't do anything for the fame. I don't do anything for popularity. I don't do anything for just for the money. I genuinely do everything through love. So I'm gonna be doing a series and I'm gonna stick to it because I'm found my niche. Okay? It's called Sassy Sessions. So the Sassy Sessions, you're gonna get to see my personality because anybody that knows me knows that I'm sassy. Not nasty, but I am sassy. Okay? So as you all know, I just debuted my eyelash line. It's called Sassy. And I wrote a few notes because I don't want to get like distracted. So excuse me if I don't really like speak. Hey Chalet, how are you? Everybody's like asking me where does the name Sassy come from? S-A-S-S-I. When I was a little girl, my childhood friend named Stefan, who I'm still friends with to this day, I was walking by in church one day and he was like, "You are sassy." And I was like, "What?" And he was talking to one of the ladies named Miss Neal, and he was like, "Miss Neal, ain't she sassy?" And she was like, "I don't know. I have to see her personality before I could really say that." So I was like, "Oh my God." So I had a purse that my mom bought me, and it was patent leather, and it had a bow on it. I was always like a girly girl, prissy. Sometimes people mistaken it for being grown, but now when they see me, they understand that this is my calling, okay? Beauty, entertainment. I used to be a performer, X, Y, Z. So I had a little purse, and on the inside, the label, the name of the brand was called Sassy. So I was like, "Stefan, look, it's the label says Sassy on it." So he was like, "See, that name is meant for you." So it kind of stuck with me. And when I was trying to come up with names for like a brand added on to the Glamour Box, because you all know the Glamour Box, I have that. The Glamour Box is my beauty service division. Like that's the brand that Sassy is actually under and registered under through the states, because the Glamour Box is actually Raina's Glamour Box LLC. Okay, I have an LLC. All my paperwork is done. All my slogans are taken, so don't try. Everything's registered. So I designed, I'm going to show you like the box. I think it's unique. I think it's cute. I designed the box. I wanted something different. It's shaped in a pyramid. Okay. My best friend Curtis came up with like the font. He was like, "Oh, helping me like just," so I sent off like, "I want this kind of font" to LaRue, who does all of my stuff, usually does my websites and all of that. And I was like, "I want the box to be black. I want it to be shiny, and I want sassy." And I basically left it up to him, and he came up with Sassy by Raina Love, a Glamour Box collection. Okay? So the sides are gold. The inside is really cute. Okay? There's two types of lashes that I have. These are, you can't really see. I'm going to show you in a minute. The box actually, the lashes can be used 25 to 40 times, okay, with proper care. So do not use, when you're taking the lashes out, please do not use a metal tweezer. I'm actually coming out with some tweezers with the brands on it and everything. Just wait on it. It's coming. Okay. There's two different types. We have the, I'm sorry, it's noisy. These are the Carries, and these Carrie B's, and these are the Samanthas. If you look on the site, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about and what they look like. And right now I have two different styles. So the box can, after you're finished using them, the box is actually can be used like for something. It's magnetic. You see that? It's magnetic, so it won't open. You can actually use the box to put like little stuff in, like little earrings or whatever. Like, I have a box that I've been using, and I put my little studs and stuff in here, and my little rings. So you can use it as a jewelry box after. So you're not gonna waste your money. You're still gonna have the box for something after you finish using them 25 to 40 times. If you can extend that beyond 40 times, more power to you, sis. Okay? So I'm gonna put these back in here. It's worth the investment, because when you go to the store and you're spending like $3 or $4 on a pair of disposable lashes, you can have these, and you're not gonna wear your lashes every single day, so you'll have them probably for a year. You know what I'm saying, or 6 months, depending on how often if you're a lash girl. So that's it. Okay. How I wanted to start selling lashes, and I know a lot of people are like, oh, the market's so oversaturated. Look, if it's for you, it's for you. I have a different approach from my lashes and my boxes. So I've always been a lash girl. When I was younger, I always had long lashes, and I couldn't wear makeup, you know, when I was young, but I used to always wear mascara because I love my lashes. And I recently was like wearing lash extensions and that kind of stuff, because I used to be like, gosh, I really don't have time to put lashes on every day. But then I was like, you know what? I don't really like the lashes that I wear on the market. I feel like when I put them on, I feel like something, like it's too heavy. So I did a lot of research, and I got a lot of samples, and I wanted the lashes to be comfortable on myself, because I am extremely picky. Extremely picky, okay? When it comes to like anything, because I'm very sensitive. So whatever products that I come out with, they're gonna be like quality. The lashes that I'm wearing are from the Sassy brand, and I can guarantee you that they are lightweight, okay? Because we don't want to walk around like, you know, like feel like we have like bats on your eyes. What else? Yeah, I tested them. I tested different ones for like weeks on end, just to make sure before I got my boxes done and all that kind of stuff. The website is Sassy by Raina Love, SassiByRainalove.com. Okay, SassyByRainaLove.com. And my site is extremely professional, so you can use your credit card or PayPal. Okay, so and it also has cart recovery. So let's say you got distracted, you'll get an email saying, you know, by Sassy by Raina Love, you left like 2 or 3 lashes in your cart that you haven't paid for. So that happens to me, and I like sites that have cart recovery. Okay, so that's why I put that on there. Also, all the packages are sent to you guys, to you ladies, gents. They're sent with a shipping and tracking number from USPS, United States Postal Service. So you'll be able to track. You have to sign for it. That'll ensure that your package gets to you on time. Okay. I say 7 to 10 business days just because, but trust me, you'll get it before that. Okay. I did name the 2 styles Carrie B and Samantha. Carrie B is for Carrie Bradshaw from Sex and the City, and Samantha is Samantha. You know, everybody knows Samantha. If you know me, you know that I have an exceptionally unhealthy obsession with Sex and the City. I freaking live in New York City, so you know. That's basically it. If you haven't seen the video from the beginning, it's not a long video. It's just an introduction to my brand, and it's being well received already, and I'm like so happy because everybody kept saying, when are you coming out? You keep talking about these lashes you coming out with, but everything has to be done right. The photo shoots, the marketing, the pictures, the advertisements, the videos. Like, I'm all about perfection. It's the Virgo inside of me, and it's just the way that I was raised. I don't believe in doing anything halfway, and it's a representation of me. So I would like to thank Tamika Francis for her order. I sent your order out today, and also the tracking number should be in your email today. Erica Ellis, I really appreciate you for your order. Shelley Jean-Baptiste, thank you, girl, for your 2 orders. I really appreciate you guys. And I'm not just saying this, this is really my passion. Beauty, making women feel gorgeous at not so high prices. At a, you know, I did my price points based on the market, and I have more products coming out, and you guys are gonna love it. And I just want to thank you for everything. So in the beginning of the video, I explain like all about Sassy, what my name actually means. Yes, Raina is my real name. And all that kind of stuff, and I showed you the design of my boxes and what you can use the box as a jewelry box afterwards. Okay, so it's all, the design is all like with you in mind. Okay, so please go like my page on Facebook, Sassy by Raina Love, SASSI by Raina Love, and I'm on Instagram at Sassy by Raina Love. The website is sassybyrainalove.com. Today, after this, I will be posting the July 4th sale. It's till July 31st. Everything on the site is 10% off. The code at the end, you need to put in SASSI is the code. Don't forget, and you'll get 10% off of your purchase, all of your purchase. And thank you again for being here or with me, like trying to figure out like what I want to do. And you know, you see my growth, the people that have been my Facebook friends since 2009 to me coming back to New York. I appreciate you. Thank you again, and I'm gonna have another Sassy session soon. Hashtag Sassy session. So all my videos will be hashtag Sassy sessions. Sassy sessions is gonna be my hashtag. So if you ever get lost and you want to see a video, just put it in a bar, and it's gonna be called Sassy Sessions. I'm sassy as hell. All right, later, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I appreciate you.